Welcome back to the podcast, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating and, let's be honest, a bit technical topic: accelerating local LLM large language model inference and fine-tuning. Now, I know that sounds heavy, but we're going to break it down in a way that's easy to digest. So what exactly are we talking about? LLMs like LLaMA, Mistral, ChatGLM, and others are becoming increasingly popular, especially for developers and tech enthusiasts looking to run these models locally. It's all about utilizing the right computing hardware. Think Intel's diverse offerings like iGPUs and NPUs. I mean, imagine being able to run complex AI models right on your home computer without relying on cloud services. Sounds pretty cool, right? Let's kick it off by exploring why local inference and fine-tuning of these models are becoming essential. You might be wondering, what's the advantage of running these models locally? Well, first off, running models locally gives you better control over your data. In an age where privacy is a hot topic, minimizing data exposure is a huge win. Plus, there's something really satisfying about working directly with your own setup. It can spark creativity and foster experimentation. But of course, it does come with its own set of challenges, high computational demands being the biggest. But don't worry, I'll guide you through some solutions. Now let's talk about Intel XPUs. These are not just your regular GPUs. They are intelligent processing units designed to handle machine learning tasks more efficiently. So, if you've got a local PC with one of these bad boys, you're in a prime position to optimize model performance. A short breath here. But how can one get started? Here's a thought. Imagine you've just set up your Intel XPU-based computer. You're eager to jump in. Well, first, you'd typically install the right libraries and software. This is where tools like PyTorch or TensorFlow come into play. They offer user-friendly interfaces for working with LLMs. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds complicated, don't fret. There are plenty of community resources and documentation to help you along the way. Moving on to fine-tuning, this is where things get really interesting. Fine-tuning allows creators to adapt models to specific tasks. For instance, if you want your model to excel at generating content in a particular niche, fine-tuning is your go-to. You're essentially training the model with your data set to tailor it to your needs. And guess what? You can do all this right on your iGPU or NPU too. Imagine you're a novelist. You have your own writing style, and you want a model to help you brainstorm ideas. By fine-tuning it with your previous works, the model can learn to mimic your style. It's like having a writing partner who's always on standby, always ready to brainstorm. Now, this process does have its challenges. You'll want to monitor performance, manage memory effectively, and be prepared to experiment. Think of it as a blending of art and science. It's about finding the sweet spot where your creative process meets the technical capabilities of your tools. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just someone curious about AI, the possibilities with local LLM inference and fine-tuning are vast and exciting. It's like opening up a whole new world right on your desktop. As we wrap up today's discussion, I'd love to leave you with a question to ponder. How might the ability to run and customize LLMs locally change the landscape of creativity and technology in the coming years? Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you're feeling inspired to explore the world of local AI. Until next time, keep curious and keep experimenting.